What is going on, you guys? This is TechHD and I'm super excited to talk about the brand new Gamer Advantage 100% clear lens, the Suppressors, and these have no tint whatsoever but still has the blue light technology as the regular lenses which I'm wearing right now, and these are called the sleepers. Major key differences between the two is the Suppressors has a low density absorption powder while the sleepers has a high density absorption powder, and that determines whether the lens has a clear lens or not. And you can find out which one has that by putting the lens against a white surface like a piece of paper, and you can see that the Suppressors are 100% clear while the sleepers have a bit of a warm tone. The Suppressors are rated for 4+ hours of digital screen use and help with productivity and focus, and are for everyday users that are workers and casual gamers. The sleepers are rated for 8+ hours of digital screen use and help with melatonin levels and improve sleep. They are great for hardcore gamers, streamers, and content creators. They both still offer reduced eye strain, has 100% UV protection, and are available in prescriptions, which I have for both of my glasses. The Suppressors that I have are the augment frames, and I would use these for my everyday lifestyle, working my full-time job and casually on my phone and on the computer throughout the day. I also love that these are 100% clear because as a videographer and editor, when I'm doing any type of color correcting and grading, I want to make sure that everything is as accurate as possible, so that's when I would wear the Suppressors. Now the sleepers that I have are the Inferno frames, and I would use these towards the night doing some gaming and streaming and a few hours before I go to bed so that I could get a good night's sleep. Both of these are available at GamerAdvantage.com, and make sure to use code TechHD to get 10% off. Let me know which lens you guys would go with and what frames you guys would pair it with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!